Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today in this video, I'm going to share two miracle stories of istighfar. I was once having a hard time finding someone to hire me. I kept searching for months for a job and applied to anything I could find and never had luck. I didn't get job. And one day, I remembered reading stories of people making istighfar 1,000 times a day and getting their du'as answered. So I did just that and I started reciting 1,000 times Astaghfirullah daily. Anytime I had the chance to do zikr, I would constantly do istighfar over and over. And I think I reached more than 1,000 times. I kept saying whole day Astaghfirullah, Astaghfirullah, Astaghfirullah. Then that night, while I was really stressed about getting hired, I reminded myself that Allah wrote my risk and won't take it from me, meaning each job that rejected me was never actually written for me. I assured myself that I did my best and I just have to leave it for Allah, meaning I made tawakkul. I started making tawakkul on Allah that Allah will give me good job. The risk of mine is not in my hand. The very next day, I had about just 5 offers. All of a sudden, company after company kept writing me emails that they want to interview. Alhamdulillah, subhanallah. I think this was my biggest success story about istighfar. I have many more, but that was the one that actually got answered quickly once I did it. Alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah, my du'as are accepted and inshallah, all my du'as will be accepted. So this is the story of istighfar, that when 1,000 times istighfar was done, alhamdulillah, Allah gave a good job. The second miracle story is, one sister says, I want to share my istighfar miracle. She says, I was very modern and I was on the wrong path because I knew the fashion which I followed, that's not good. That's not allowed in Islam. And then I got married and my marriage had some problem. My marriage life was not happy, and due to which I went in depression. I was in depression for 4 years. I was all alone, but only Allah was there with me. I tried to commit suicide many times just because of depression. But alhamdulillah, I failed in suicide. And after that, I started reciting Astaghfar all the time. You will not believe me, after 2 months, only 2 months, when I kept reciting Astaghfirullah, 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 all day and all the time, my life changed, and the way it changed was something I never thought of in my dreams. And alhamdulillah, I'm so much satisfied and living an amazing life with my husband. I am spending happiest life with my family, with my husband, and it is just because of saying Astaghfirullah. It is just because of doing Astaghfirullah day and night. So this is the istighfar miracle. When we start doing istighfar and when we have complete faith in Allah, our life changes and our depression ends, and alhamdulillah, we become satisfied. So keep doing istighfar, keep saying Astaghfirullah, Astaghfirullah, Astaghfirullah. May Allah bless all of us. May Allah make us happy and accept our prayers. Ameen. Jazakallahu khaira.